Hello everyone, welcome to the famous English Language Center Bangladesh. So today we are going to discuss about our school. So I am Raisa Al-Karim and this is my partner.
Hello audience, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the famous English Language Center Bangladesh. This is me, I'm Manajaman Mariam. Today we are going to discuss about our school. So let's rock it. Do you go to school?
Yes, I always go to my school. What's the name of your school?
The name of my school is Manipur Uch Vidyalaya and College. How far is your school from your house?
My school is very near to my house. How many classrooms do you have in your school?
There are about 200 classrooms in a school. How many teachers' rooms do you have at the school?
There are 3 teachers' rooms I have in my school. How is your teacher's behavior?
My teacher's behavior is very great. They're very hardworking, they're very kind, they teach us cordially. How many teachers do you have? How many teachers do you have at the school?
There are around 30 teachers in my school. How many students do you have in your school?
We have around 2,000 students at our school. Do you have a lab room at your school?
No, we don't have any lab rooms in my school. Do you have any auditorium in your school?
Yes, we have an auditorium in our school. Do you have a hall room in your school?
Yes, I have a large hall room in my school.
Where is your playground located?
My playground is in the front of our school. Do you have any field in your school?
Yes, we have a big field at our school. Do your teachers hardworking?
Yes, our teachers are very hardworking. Do you have any playgrounds in your school?
Yes, we have many playgrounds at the school. Do you love your school?
Yes, I love my school very much. Do you proud of your school?
Yes, I'm very proud of my school. What is the board result of our school?
The board result of our school is very great.
This is all for today. Thanks for listening us cordially. Bye-bye.
Bye.